Hello and welcome to Mastering Excel Essentials in 60 Minutes. Today we learn how to create a salary sheet in Excel. So let's take a new sheet and make it a little bit bigger. And first of all, we will have a headline that is employee salary sheet. So you can just click and type the heading, and we can make it bold. Just change the font to something neat, and then we can just keep it as it is. Now let's come to the first column. So it will be employee ID, name, contact number, designation. So you have the basic salary, the allowances, and the deductions. Right, salary. So you can just select all the columns, double click, and it will automatically like expand accordingly. So let's see, for the heading we have to make it margin and center, so it will be in between all the rows. So we just select again and then just double click on this line. So let's create the table, and suppose the employee ID is 001. And as you can see that it did not take the 001. So what we have to do, we have to click on that cell, click on the small arrow, then click text, and now you can type the employee ID. So the name is Robert and contact number is engineer allowance and deductions 2000. So the net salary will be basic plus allowances so the formula will be basic plus allowances minus deductions. So this is the net salary. So in this way you can write a second column. So this is for Miss Mary. So it is basic plus allowance minus the deductions. Okay. So in this way you can create the employee salary sheet. So let's do something. Select the heading and click bold, and we can delete some of the rows that are not needed. So we have these two employees with the basic allowances, deduction, and net salary. Hope you liked our videos, and we hope that you can use the basic tools and techniques that we have shown in our tutorials will help you a lot in learning Excel. And thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.